Hello guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's video, we are back again for another vlog. So this is our part 2 of our Tambobong White Beach Pangasinan vlog. And for today's video, this is our day 2 here in Dasol, Tambobong Beach, Pangasinan. This will be the day na mag-island hopping kami. So stay tuned guys and keep on watching. Ayun na guys, ito na ang aming bangka. We're ready na. Oh my god, ang ganda ng weather. Today is the perfect day para mag-island hopping. We're very blessed and very happy kasi the sun is back. Kahapon kasi ang gloomy ng weather. Kaya ngayon, I'm very excited and energetic because the sun is back and we're ready to go on an island hopping. So, keep on watching guys. So guys, according sa aming bangkero, pupunta raw kami sa Culebro Island at saka yung Crocodile Island. Woo! Ay, ingat po! Hi guys! So after 15 to 20 minutes of boat ride from Tambobong Beach, ay nakarating na kami dito sa Culebro Island. So here's the situation here guys. Grabe, mukhang mag-enjoy ako dito. Medyo marami tao. And ang lakas ng hangin at ang lakas ng alon. Ang ganda dito ngayon guys. Wow! Hi guys, so for your information, when you arrive here in the island, you have to pay 80 pesos each as an entrance fee. So magbabayad po kayo ng 80 pesos for entrance fee. So ito yung information guys. So upon arrival here, diretso kayo dito para magbayad ng 80 pesos each for an island fee. So for our case, since 6 kami, we paid 480 pesos. So guys, may policies lang dito. So take note of this. No life vest, no swimming. So yun guys. Grabe yung lakas ng alon dito ngayon guys. Ang ganda dito, I'm telling you. Super worth it. I mean, umpisa pa lang na makita mo siya, masasabi mo na talaga na sulit ang bayad dito. Wow guys! Sobrang ganda dito at ang ganda ng weather. We're very fortunate enough guys. Oh my god, ang ganda. Hi guys! Don't forget to visit the island here. Hi guys, so tapos na kami ngayon dito sa Colibro Island and we are now going to the next island, which is yung Crocodile Island. So hintayin na lang muna namin yung bangka namin before going there. So keep on watching guys. I hope na nag-enjoy na kayo sa vlog kasi super ganda na talaga dito guys. Grabe, saya, ganda ng beach as in. Talagang mas ito pag pupunta kayo dito sa Tason, Pangasinan. Hi guys! Narito na kami ngayon sa Crocodile Island. The reason why it is called Crocodile Island simply because it is shaped like a crocodile. Pahaba siya, tapos ito yung ulo, ito yung uso, ito yung body, and ito naman yung tail. Hindi ko lang masyadong may pakita ng maayos kasi malapit kami. Pero pag nakita mo siya ng malayuan, para talaga siyang crocodile. Hi guys, so nakabalik na pala kami at nakapag-freshen up na ako. So summary lang, I really enjoyed the island hopping trip and it was so fun, it's very exciting and medyo asal lang kasi ang init pero worth it naman. So sa mga nagastos guys, ang boat ride namin is since 6 kami, tapos yung boat ride is buong package na siya. So 1,500, so that would be 250 per pax. Tapos yung island, meron siyang entrance fee which is 80 pesos. So overall, nasa 330 pesos siya per pax yung nag-assist namin sa island hopping trip. Also guys, doon pala sa Crocodile Island, akala ko pupunta kami doon. Yung pala, dadaan lang pala. As in, dadaan lang kami doon sa gilid ng Crocodile Island. Akala namin is bababa kami doon. So, yun pala, mali pala. Wala palang land pala doon. So, dadaan lang pala kami doon. So, yun lang. So, that would be all for today, guys. I hope you enjoy this video. I hope you had fun also like us. And sana may natutunan kayo dito sa aming vlog na pwede nyo magamit in the near future. So, that would be all for today, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And see you again on my next vlog. Bye-bye!